Nice moves there, Oopsie, you know. You the new sheriff? Come riding in to clean up.
Was my intention.
Yeah, whatever. Yeehaw, 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 yeehaw. You're still a right side? It'll be the glass that kills us. I'm a glass half full kind of guy.
Who the hell are you, man?
Officer friendly.
You hear me?
Yeah, your voice carries.
How's that signal?
Like Dixon's.
Ain't that right, this? Let's say you get me out of these cuffs. We go off out of these cuffs.
I'd rather.
Die.
But I've gone down it. Who'd want to, right? Oh. What? Great.
I'm hoping to hear somebody's voice because I'm getting sick and tired of hearing my voice.
Yeah, well, that makes
Why not take it?
There's a cop staring at me.
One more thing.
I'm so gonna...
That is just evil. What is wrong with you? Next time, let's crack a beat his ass.
We need puppies and kittens. We need more puppies and kittens.
That is just evil. What is wrong with you?
Puppies and kittens.
Next time, let's crack a...
Get down to that last can of beans. You're gonna be loving those beans. You see, now, Shane, I'm thinking, please.
I would rather eat.
Beans.
It wouldn't hurt you to think things through a little more carefully next time, would it?
You're out. Got a cool car. I don't mean to bring race into this, but...
Look at them. Vultures.
Strip it clean.
What do you think? Think we can cut around this chewed up part right here?
Man, would not.
It's a damn...
I had the key. I dropped it.
Couldn't pick it up?
I dropped it.
I'm Korean.
White guy.
Whatever. This little turd and his turd friends came out of nowhere and jumped me.
Merle? What kind of hick name is that? Wouldn't name my dog Merle.
Puppies and kittens.
Damn you, Daryl. Back off. One wrong move, just so you know.
I'm gonna cut off my feet, carnal.
Cops do that?
This redneck puto here. Cut off some dude's hand, man. He showed it to me.
Shut up. Thought you were being eaten by dogs, man.
Don't tell anybody.
Doctors always go around packing heat like that.
Except you. I'll have to keep my eye on you.
Not you, Glenn. What? Keep drinking, little man. I want to see how red your face can get. What?
Are you hungover? Mom said you be.
Mom is right.
There's something.